Michael. Say bye-bye to that pumpkin.
Get it. Go down. Bring it in. Ready? Trust.
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh, that poor pumpkin! Oh!
Smash it. That's great fun. Okay, why don't you hop down and we'll get your brother.
Okay, you come down with me, Mike. We'll go get your brother.
We need another pumpkin over here.
Okay, Paigey, you go climb up with Uncle Stu, and Michael, you go stand by with the pack sacks, okay? And here goes Paige's pumpkin. One last look at the smile.
Don't touch anything until I tell you. Put your hands on my knees. Okay, hang on. Okay, hang on. Let's get it controlled. Okay, very carefully. Let's swing. Do that. Okay, push this one and this one down at the same time. That's it. Okay, ready? Big crush. Say it loud.
Oh!
We killed it.
Oh! Is that fun, Paigey? Pumpkin killers!